quite penguin friendly, as you can see. Lots of nooks and crannies, keep them safe from predatory owls and whatnot. Not that there's many of those around this part of the world, but you can see all the little spots in there where they can hide and run around and find their way up to their nests. And the stones up there. So we've got a little bit of a wait, but there's a lecture, so we'll catch that and then watch them. You can see the sorts of surf and whatnot they have to get through. It's not too bad tonight, but they come in over those rocks there and then up and feed. Let's see, on that little black rock there, there's some droppings, so there might be some in there we can. And this is the infrared option that we'll be using after dark so we don't blind the penguins. And there you have one in the infrared, fully dressed and ready and waiting for mum or dad. There you go.
Where's the fiber?
Waiting patiently for food. A bit of preening, a bit of splay. And that's the waterway the parent will be coming in through. So they're tough, hardy little buggers. And you can see the scats on the burrow there, showing that it's in use. Getting easier to see on the infrared as it gets darker. There's one at the edge of the burrow, waiting for mum or dad. Certainly ready for a feed. And now the masses have moved on. It's quite she, I believe. Quite happy to sit there, keep up with the preening, waiting for the feed. Being swept all day. Nice work if you can get it. There she is again from the other side. Another one waiting for a feed. Still under cover, bit of protection. For mum or dad to come up through that